Hello there and welcome. In today's video, we're gonna be looking at forming adjectives and adverbs. Practice exercise 1 and 2. So, let's get started. Exercise 1. Complete each sentence with the correct form of the word in parentheses to create either an adjective or an adverb. You have 5 seconds to give your answer before I'm gonna move on to the next item and give you the correct answer. If you think 5 seconds is not enough, you can pause the video. Number 1. The mountain peak offers blank view. The mountain peak offers blank view. Answer? Stunningly view. Number 2. She sang the song blank at the concert. She sang the song blank at the concert. The word inside the bracket is beautiful. Answer is? She sang the song beautifully at the concert. Number 3. He completed the task blank than anyone else. Number 3. He completed the task blank than anyone else. Answer is more efficiently. Number 4. The weather turned blank. The word inside the bracket is sudden. The weather turned blank. Answer? The weather turned suddenly. Number 5. The athlete performed blank in the competition. The word inside the bracket is amazing. Answer? The athlete performed amazingly in the competition. Number 6. She danced blank across the stage. The word inside the bracket is graceful. Answer is, she danced gracefully across the stage. Number 7. He tackled the problem blank. He tackled the problem blank. The word inside the bracket is method. Answer? He tackled the problem methodically. Number 8. The city has a blank nightlife. The city has a blank nightlife. The word inside the bracket is vibrant. Answer is? The city has a vibrant nightlife. Number 9. She speaks Spanish blank. She speaks Spanish blank. The word inside the bracket is fluent. Answer is, she speaks Spanish fluently. Number 10. The sun shone blank in the sky. Number 10. The sun shone blank in the sky. The word inside the bracket is bright. Answer is, the sun shone brightly in the sky. Exercise 2. Complete the sentence with the correct form of the word in parentheses to create either an adjective or an adverb. Number 1. She played the piano blank. She played the piano blank. The word inside the bracket is skillful. Answer is, she played the piano skillfully. Number 2. The blank chair made me feel relaxed. The blank chair made me feel relaxed. Answer? The comfortable chair made me feel relaxed. Number 3. He spoke blank during the presentation. Number 3. He spoke blank during the presentation. The word inside the bracket is confident. Answer is, he spoke confidently during the presentation. Number 4. The mountain air was so blank. The mountain air was so blank. The word inside the bracket is refresh. Answer is, the mountain air was so refreshing. Number 5. She solved the puzzle blank than anyone else. She solved the puzzle blank than anyone else. The word inside the bracket is quick. Answer is, she solved the puzzle more quickly than anyone else. Number 6. The student's performance was blank. The student's performance was blank. The word inside the bracket is amaze. Answer is, it's amazing. The student's performance was amazing. Number 7. He drives his car blank on the highway. He drives his car blank on the highway. The word inside the bracket is safe. Answer is, he drives his car safely on the highway. Number 8. The flowers have a blank fragrance. The flowers have a blank fragrance. The word inside the bracket is pleasant. Answer is, the flowers have a pleasant fragrance. Number 9. She speaks English blank. She speaks English blank. The word inside the bracket is fluent. Answer is, she speaks English fluently. And number 10, last item. The movie was blank good. The movie was blank good. The word inside the bracket is surprise. Answer is, the movie was surprisingly good. So there you go, guys. That's the end of this video. I hope you found this helpful, and if you like this video, please do subscribe, like, share, and let me know your thoughts and questions. Love to hear from you. Good luck and thanks for watching.